If you're thinking about buying property this year, I'm starting to wonder what you're waiting for. Let's talk about it on this week's Q&A. Hey everybody, welcome back. I hope you had a great week. Thanks so much for tuning in. There's a whole bunch of you out there thinking you're waiting for something to happen in the market before you buy property. This has been happening for years. Bubble bursting, market crashing, etc. So here's what I can tell you. Prices have definitely come down since the very peak we had in February. So every month since February, we're seeing a little bit of a decline, some areas more than others. So if you're one of those people that are thinking about buying property and you've been waiting for this to happen, now's probably your time. How much lower are they going to go? I mean, who knows? But I wouldn't anticipate much lower or this to last much longer. That's a guess. The more important thing probably for most of you are interest rates. So a lot of you think the market's going to crash because you're worried about interest rates rising. So they have been rising and we know they will rise again. So if you're one of those people thinking about buying, wouldn't it make sense for you to lock into a rate now and buy something over the next 90 or 120 days when you have that rate locked in? That makes sense to me. Let's face it, over the years, prices go up, they go down. In our case, they usually go up. Even if they come down slightly since the peak of 2021, we still are making great money on our real estate investments. So I would say for all of you thinking about jumping into the market, I don't know what you're waiting for. I think I would be definitely considering over the next couple of months jumping in, locking in that interest rate. Let's make a move and get forward. Listen, we talk about all of this and more on this week's podcast, which dropped this week, yesterday, and it's the Toronto Real Estate Show with Jenelle and Leslie, and we go over kind of a lot of the things that are happening in the news in the real estate market in the GTA right now. On top of that, we're always here to answer questions if you have any, so please feel free to reach out. You know where to find us, and we're happy to help anytime. I always appreciate it when you like these videos, comment and share. It means a lot to us. So if you can do that, that would be great. And in the meantime, I hope you have a great day and we will see you next week.